Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth headphone to our phone. Friends you want to unpair your Bluetooth headphones so then you can unpair easily in your Samsung phone. And friends now let's see how to unpair a Bluetooth headphone to our phone. Friends you have paired any Bluetooth device means any headphone Bluetooth headphone you want to unpair to your phone you can unpair. And friends now let's see how to unpair Bluetooth headphone. First of all guys we will on our phone setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, click on your phone connection setting, guys. Click on guys your phone Bluetooth setting. Friends, you can see guys we have paired this ptron company headphone guys. Right side the setting option guys. Tap here. Friends, you can see disconnect option, rename option, and unpair. You want disconnect, rename you can do. And friends, you can see unpair option guys. We will tap here. Unpair setting guys. Yes, we want to unpair. Then guys you can see you need to pair it again if you want to use. So you will have to pair again. So we will click on unpair. Then guys this headphone will unpair. And when if you use, so you will have to pair again guys. This notification guys you will have to click, then guys you can use this headphone. So like that guys you can unpair guys your Bluetooth headphone to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet in the next video, bye guys.